So, yesterday was kind of crazy.
We're Evelyn,
Isaac,
Eli, Isla,
okay.
and this is On the Farm with E.
E-I-O.
Let's
go!
So all the goats are in here together, and I'd say they're doing pretty well. They're kind of separating each other in their original groups, and Buttercup has shown them all that she is dominant. Brownie is scared of Buttercup. He's so fast. Selena is. Spots is just an old lady. Alana is joining me in this video. You're YouTube famous, did you know that? She doesn't care. Moana, say hi. Say hi. So, yesterday was kind of crazy. So yesterday was like super cold. It was like 59 degrees, but it felt a lot colder. It was really bad. So when Mom was leaving to go buy groceries, she saw that Gertie was in labor. So I went down to watch her, and I was literally sitting out there for like 4 hours, pretty boring, and she was not having the calf. So by the time Mom was about to come back, she called our uncle. He farms cows, to come down and check out our cow because she wasn't having her calf. He got here, I told him what was going on with Gertie. She was pushing, nothing was happening. He said it was normal for that stage, and so he started to go pull the calf because that was the time where the calf was supposed to come out, and it wasn't. So he went to go pull the calf, and its legs were huge. And so we've had this problem with Gertie before. So her babies normally end up being pretty big, and this is her third calf. Dixie came out pretty easy. She didn't really need anything, and then this calf looked really big, so he had to go home and get his special tools, chains, to get the calf out. So about 45 minutes later, he got back and he pulled the calf, and he said it went better than he thought it was gonna be, but it was a pretty good sized calf. Huge thank you to our Uncle David. We could not have done this without him. In the end, everything went great. So, Calf is doing great, and Gertie is taking really good care of him. So, really glad everything went well, and everybody's happy. Days like that are always really stressful. When there's a problem or there could be a problem and you don't want to end up losing a cow. So the plan is to get another bull because we want to breed Dixie, and we're not going to breed Dixie with her father anyways. So we want to try and get a smaller bull to breed our cows. You guys are probably wondering what the calf's gender is, and it is... Anna, do you know what the calf's gender is? No? Do you have an answer for me? Eli, do you know what the calf's gender is?
Boy.
It's a boy!
Yay!
So for the calf's name, we're not going to choose a name right away. We are going to make a poll. So if you guys have any ideas for this calf's name, put them in the comments down below. So he's a big boy, so I want to give him a name that kind of means that, maybe like Tank or something like that. So if you guys have any ideas, put it in the comments down below, and if we like it, we'll add it to the poll, and you can vote on which name you like the best. If you guys are liking this video so far, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. What you got there, Gertie? I'm about to go down and check on the calf. Good morning. How's that baby doing? Let's see him. Is he sleeping somewhere? Here's Gertie. And on the other side of the fence, I found the calf. Hey. Easy. It's okay. It's okay. You are the cutest thing. It's okay, baby. It's their instincts to be afraid of anything except for their mom. So there he is. He's playing. Now Gertie's concerned. You need all the attention. Stealing the spotlight. So that was our video today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below your name ideas for this new little calf. So see you next time.